I found a friend, oh such a friend. He loved me ere I knew him. He drew me with the cords of love, and thus he bound me to him. And round my heart still closely twine those ties which naught can sever. For I am his and he is mine forever and forever. I found a friend, oh such a friend. He bled, he died to save me. And not alone the gift of life, but his own self he gave me. Not that I have mine own I call, I'll hold it for the giver. My heart, my strength, my life, my all are his and his forever. I found a friend, oh such a friend. All power to him is given, to guard me on my onward course and bring me safe to heaven. Eternal glory gleams afar to nerve my faint endeavor. So now to watch, to work, to war, and then to rest forever. I found a friend, oh such a friend, so kind and true and tender, so wise a counselor and guide, so mighty a defender. From him who loves me now so well, what power my soul can sever? Shall life or death and earth or hell, no, I am his forever.